Let's see how arithmetic operation works. Press the Add event. Select the onload event to add it. Press the onload event to add the function. Go for logic section and select the arithmetic operation function. Enter the value to add in the operating A. Then enter the next value to add in the operation B. Other than a static value, you can enter a dynamic value from inputs. Go for context data and select either page data or application data. Then you have to select the operator based on your logic. There are operators like addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. There are operators like addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. Also, you can add more operating values. Just add the value or name for custom operating value to create it. After creating the custom operating value, you can change its value. Finally, we are done. You can retrieve the output value from the previous output section in the next function.